Am I in focus? All right, OnePlus 15 versus iPhone 17 Pro, battle of the latest flagship from OnePlus and the Apple. Obviously, some changes on the flagship phones. We have a new look, iPhone 17 Pro, and there's no Hasselblad camera on OnePlus 15. We will do this camera comparison video very objectively today. I know there are downgrades in terms of the hardware for OnePlus 15, but I think they've learned over the past years partnering with Hasselblad. So today we will see if that translates to OnePlus 15. Stay tuned at the end of this video to see the results. Starting with the audio test, iPhone 17 Pro. This is selfie video recording 4K 30 FPS. Let's switch to OnePlus 15. And this is the audio test and selfie video recording on OnePlus 15 4K 30 FPS. We can switch 0.8x, 1x, and 2x on OnePlus 15. Right now, this phone is holding pretty well in terms of comparison. Let's check the daylight images. On daylight, starting with the ultra-wide, we got a wider field of view on iPhone 17 Pro and also warmer than the competition, but there might be more details on OnePlus 15. On the main sensor, you will notice that OnePlus 15 has great noise reduction, a bit noisy on iPhone 17 Pro looking at the background. Also, we got closer focus on OnePlus 15. On the telephoto, we have 5x zoom on iPhone 17 Pro and only 3.5x on OnePlus 15, but I like the details and natural looking iPhone 17 Pro. OnePlus 15 is a bit over sharpened, but if we go to the farthest zoom, we have 120 times crop on OnePlus 15, and there's also more details on the image. On portrait mode, starting with 1x, we got more details on iPhone 17 Pro. Also, the contrast is better. OnePlus 15 is a bit soft, but looking at the face on the subject, there's no distortion on OnePlus 15. On 2x, same tendency, we got a lot of details on iPhone 17 Pro. There's a bit of beautification on OnePlus 15, and the face is also well lit, which some people might prefer. On portrait zoom, again, there's a lot of details on iPhone 17 Pro, but I like the warmer white balance on OnePlus 15. I still prefer the portraits on iPhone 17 Pro. And on selfie, we got a wider FOV on OnePlus 15. We also have a lot of details on the face, and the contrast is stronger, but we have a brighter iPhone 17 Pro. Alright, we're comparing both phones, iPhone 17 Pro and OnePlus 15 on daylight. Starting with the ultra-wide 4K 30 FPS. So we have 0.5x on iPhone 17 Pro and 0.6x on OnePlus 15. So you would see that you have a wider field of view on iPhone 17 Pro. In terms of details, I like the details on iPhone 17 Pro. Let's check the autofocus and the stabilization. Going to the main sensor, 1x, warmer looking on iPhone 17 Pro, and also more colorful, and you have natural looking, a bit muted on OnePlus 15. I probably like the colors on OnePlus 15. If you're a naturalist, I would go with OnePlus 15, but if you like saturated colors, go with iPhone 17 Pro. It's warmer compared to the competition. Let's check the autofocus and the video stabilization. And going for the zoom, we got 4x on iPhone 17 Pro and 3.5x on OnePlus 15. So 0.5x difference on both phones. And going for the farthest zoom, we got 24x or 24 times on iPhone 17 Pro, and we have 18 times on OnePlus 15. This is the special features of the video. We have cinematic 4K 30 FPS on iPhone 17 Pro, and we have portrait video or bokeh on OnePlus 15. It can go as low as f1.4. This is 8K video recording on OnePlus 15. We don't have 8K video recording on iPhone 17 Pro. Starting with the night shot on the ultra wide, we got better focus and contrast on iPhone 17 Pro. Again, it's soft looking on the OnePlus 15. On the main sensor, both phones are really good. Just a difference on the white balance. We got a warmer looking iPhone 17 Pro. And in terms of exposure, a bit better on iPhone as well. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. And on the telephoto, you would notice that you have more details on iPhone 17 Pro. It also has a closer 5x zoom compared to OnePlus 15. Alright, we're starting this low light video test on the selfie video recording 4K 30 FPS. This is OnePlus 15. This is what it looks like using the latest flagship of OnePlus. Now this is the selfie video recording low light on iPhone 17 Pro. A bit brighter and better exposed compared to OnePlus 15. I think I like iPhone 17 better compared to the OnePlus. Now we're checking the rear cameras on both phones, iPhone 17 Pro versus OnePlus 15. This is the ultra wide, both 4K 30 FPS, and I like the quality on the iPhone 17 Pro. I think iPhone 17 Pro will beat the OnePlus 15 on the cameras, on video recording, low light. Checking the main sensor, again, I like iPhone 17 Pro. Look at the details. I also like the warmer looking iPhone 17 Pro compared to the colder or cooler OnePlus 15. Checking the noise, noisier on OnePlus 15, and you got a lot of details, and cleaner on iPhone 17 Pro. Checking the zoom, 3.5x on OnePlus 15 and 4x on iPhone 17 Pro. Still, iPhone 17 Pro is better compared to the competition. So after a few days of testing OnePlus 15 and iPhone 17 Pro, we got our verdict here. So just to summarize, so for OnePlus 15, we have very good audio, a bit over sharpened on the selfie. We got more detailed ultra wide. Main sensor has closer focus and better noise reduction. We have 120 times zoom. Portrait mode is a solid 7 out of 10. I would probably give it an 8, but yeah, 7 out of 10. And we have 8K video recording on that phone. For iPhone 17 Pro, we have awesome microphone and natural looking selfie, wider field of view on the ultra wide. We got better 5x zoom and no over sharpening. Overall, I like the portrait mode. It has better focus and details. We got consistent white balance across all the sensors on the video and no over sharpening, and also better night shot capability and low light video. I think overall, in terms of camera performance, iPhone 17 Pro wins over OnePlus 15. But OnePlus 15 is not so bad in terms of camera performance. I've learned that it actually competes with the flagship out there. Because camera is just one thing, and the overall performance of OnePlus 15 is really good. I noticed that the shutter is faster on OnePlus 15 compared to iPhone 17 Pro. I would buy OnePlus 15, but for $999, I'll probably wait for a discount, maybe $150 less. I think that's it for our camera comparison video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.